In this program, we will calculate the sum of each element from an array, and also we will calculate the average of the sum of an element. Okay, so how can we do this? Let's start. So first of all, I have taken an example here, like array has elements like 10, 20, 30 and 40, and its sum is 100. Actually 10, 20, 30 and 40 is 100, and its average will be sum by n. That means n is a total number of actually it is a size of an array, that how many numbers are present in an array. Okay, so I have divided by size. So the sum is 100 and divided by 4. That means a size of an array, that is 4. So the answer will be 25. So how will we do this? So first I will take a scanner class, new scanner. So first of all I will have to import it. Import java.util.scanner, and we have to take an array also. So okay, first we will declare an size. Declare a size s dot next int. We will give a statement here that system.out.println, enter the size of an array. Okay, now analyze what the things we need to do this program. Okay, we have taken here sc, that's why it was showing an error. Okay, now it's fine. We already have taken size. Now we have to take an array, like array. This is a syntax to take any kind of array, like a int, and we will pass the size here. Now we have to take an input from the user, like the array elements. We need an array elements. Okay, so we will take it from the user. System.out.println, enter the array elements. Okay, now we will start. I will take I as 0 till the size of an array, and I plus plus, and array of I equals to sc dot next int. Now array element, we can take an input from the user like this. Now what we will have to do, that we have to calculate the sum. So how can we do this? We have to, okay, first we will take another variable, that is sum equals to 0, and average will be in double. Okay, double avj. Okay, now one statement, I should write one statement here. System.out.println. Okay, array here we will display the array. Okay, and I equals to 0 till size, and I plus plus system.out.println. Okay, we don't need ln here because I want the answer should be in one line. Print arr of I and space, that's it. Okay, now how will we calculate it? Here the answer will be display, actually the array will be display through this statement, and we will calculate the sum also, array of I. Okay, and now we will display, and average will be calculate here, sum divided by size. Okay, now sum, sorry, of an array elements equals to sum and the average equals to avg. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, I'm giving 4, so 10, 20, 30 and 40. So the array is this one, and the output of the array and the sum of an array elements is 100 and the average is 25. Alright, everything is going fine here. So this is how we can calculate the sum of an array and its average.